Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a video on Wix website. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go ahead and log into your Wix account and then choose the template or the site that you want to use. So say for example, I want to use this one right here. Now just click on this plus icon at the left side of your screen and then use the search bar and then type out video. And then you'd be able to see here the single video player, and then you'd be able to see here the video that you can drag. So drag this one right here. Okay, so just locate the right location for this video. Okay, so let me just put this one right here as an example, and then you can resize the video according to your needs. Okay, after that, just click on the video and then select the change video and upload your own video right here. So just click on it and then select the change video and then click on the upload button. And then right here, just click on the upload from computer and then go to your folder and then select the video that you want to upload. Now you just have to click on the video and then click on open after that. And then once the video is uploaded, you can now try to play the video and then save your changes. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.